Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious mathematics tutorials, right? If you are new here, visit my previous lecture videos on permutations, right? And conditional permutations, where we talked about permutations with repetitions and permutations without repetitions, or permutations where restrictions are allowed and permutations without restrictions. Okay, but today let's talk about something very interesting. You realize that in our everyday setting, they'll ask you to, or you would ask your friend or your fellow to give you his or her digits, right? Be like, Kwame, give me your digits, right? Then what do? You see people starting from 0, 5, 3, 0, 9, 8, 7, 2, and what have you? Is that also good? So those are the digits we are talking about. So we've been using these things in our daily lives, right? But Tindanious math tutorial wants to communicate something to you over here. When we talk about this digit, this is not a proper digit because of the 0. In other words, if I tell you to count this, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's say 9, then let's say 10. Is that also? So for digits, okay, we don't, if 0 is beginning the numbers or the digits, okay, 0 is not what? 0 is not a digit, okay? 0, we will render 0 a digit when it is placed in between numbers. So at that point, the 0 is significant, right? So if I have this 054, okay? 054 is the same as what? 45. Is that also? So we have what? We have 2 digits here. So this one is not what? This is not a 3 digit. This is what? This is a 2 digit. So the 0 here is not important to us. This is not what? The digit. So this is what? This is what? This is a 2. This is what? This is a 2 what? Digit. But if I have 4, 0, then 5, right? This is what? This is a proper digit. So this is what? This is 3 what? 3 digits. As simple as that. So this one like this. So when you ask your fellow or someone, give me your digits, and the person starts by saying 5, 4, 7, 2, you should understand that the 0 here is not what? It's not a digit. That's why some people refer to start from what? They start from where? From the significant number. Is that also? Yes. So viewers, because of the presence and the absence of the 0 beginning the whole digit, okay, it will slightly alter the way we used to do our permutations, right? So I'll give you examples where we are going to see how to go about such questions, okay? We are going to go about problems involving this 0 and the digits and what have you. Viewers, I'll end here. I'll see you next time where we are going to appreciate questions. Remember, it's not a matter of getting your answers, getting the grade A, but it is for you to appreciate mathematics to the core. It's for you to solve problems in the world using your mathematics. I'll see you next time. Bye.